So hello everyone, welcome to this particular video. So in this video I'm going to explain you people what are the links we have in MulteArts by link, which is a quick link where you can just in a one click you'll get all the things whatever we have in MulteArts. So if you see here, I just copy the link and I'll just paste here. It's just a small link. Just click on the link, you will directly navigate to this page. So which is a free weekend classes. If you want to attend any sort of classes in MulteArts for free, you can just click on this link. If you click on this link, you will directly navigate it to the group, which is a WhatsApp group. So our steps are very simple. If you are interested, if you just click on the link, you just directly landed into a WhatsApp group. Summer camp 2022, where we just planned multiple type of summer camps, which is around 7 to 8 different type of summer camps. So if you just click on the summer camp 2022, you're gonna know all the details about the summer camp. We have Sanskrit summer camp, Hindi, chess, guitar, maths, and also different type of languages. We have drawing summer camp. We have different combination of summer camp. So this kit camp is very special one where we usually do this every month. Like every month we usually do a kit camp which combines of 3 to 4 different type of courses. Duration will be the 1 hour, just to explore, just to know what they're gonna learn. This will be more of like short learning format for the kids, the kit camp format. This will be there for every month. So here we have different segments. That's why we just named it as a Multiworld. It need to be like a MulteArts, but we just renamed it as a Multiworld because we have different type of segments which don't have any sort of connection. So we just created it as a world where you can get arts, academy, tech, and toys at one place. We're also looking forward to add so many things into this. So if you just click on arts, you'll just navigate to the flash updates group. For academy and tech also same. For toys, we have a special group for the toys. If you have a kid of less than 1 year or less than 3 years to 4 years, this multi-toys is best place to be. There you have multiple type of toys where I was like a client for this multi-toys as well because I have a son, so I'll buy so much toys from this multi-toys. Okay, you can just explore all sort of toys and the uses of the toys in these multi-toys. So this is an interesting thing where we always looking forward to have more trainers and more teachers into our company. So online teachers application, if you just click, if you are a teacher, if you are interested into to teach tuition, something like that, you can just click on here. If you are really into some particular area where you don't have internet and you don't have any laptop to facilitating online, you can just apply for the offline as well. We're also looking forward to have our learning centers here and there, so you can be a part of that. Online teacher application is just click on the link. It is navigated to particular Google Doc where we take all your details like first name, phone number, what's your qualification, how many hours you're going to take tuitions per day, and your timings. We go very specific, only offline or online, or you can deal with both, and which standard you are comfortable into, and the subjects, and the which board you are into. So all these things you just fill up. My team really call you out and just take the remaining details and the demo. Then yeah, you're all set to go to take the tuitions or any training. So this is a very brief about this particular link. So this is a quick link where you can just, in a one click, you'll get all the things about us. And we're also looking forward to launch a website. If you're watching this video as a recorded version, the website is already launched. You can just type www.multiworld.in. You can just explore all sort of things over there as well. And do subscribe to the channel and just have access for the free weekend sessions and just spread the word to your friends. Weekend classes are for free. You can just step in and learn. Summer camp will be more like fun and engaging. You can just try if you want to try that as well. So arts, you people know we have so many arts in our MulteArts. To know more about this, you can just follow the remaining videos which is there on the YouTube as well. So thank you. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Do subscribe for the channel. Okay, so drop your comment how you're feeling about this quick link, and any suggestions always welcome. Thank you.